Nail biting, also known as onychophagia, is a common habit that affects many people of all ages. Although it may seem like a harmless, stress-relieving behavior, nail biting can cause a variety of physical and emotional problems. Despite the negative consequences, many people struggle to stop this habit, and it can be a real challenge to overcome. Let's explore why so many people struggle to stop nail biting. One of the main reasons that people struggle to stop nail biting is because it becomes a subconscious behavior. Nail biting often starts as a response to stress, anxiety, boredom, or hunger, but over time it can become a habit that is performed without conscious thought. This makes it difficult to control and stop, even when the person is aware of the consequences. Another reason that people struggle to stop nail biting is that it provides an emotional release. Nail biting can serve as a coping mechanism for stress and anxiety, providing a sense of comfort and relaxation. This emotional connection to the habit can make it difficult for people to quit, even if they are aware of the negative physical consequences. A lack of alternative coping mechanisms is also a factor that contributes to the difficulty in stopping nail biting. When someone relies on nail biting as a way to cope with stress and anxiety, they may not have other effective strategies in place to manage these emotions. This can make it challenging to quit the habit and find healthier ways to manage stress. Finally, the negative physical consequences of nail biting can make it difficult to stop. Damaged nails, cuticles, and surrounding skin can be painful and unattractive, causing self-consciousness and embarrassment. This can make it difficult to quit the habit, as the person may feel that they are unable to control the urge to bite their nails. Stopping nail biting can be a challenging process, but it is possible with the right tools and strategies. Identifying triggers, finding alternative coping mechanisms, and seeking support from friends and family can help individuals overcome this habit and improve their overall well-being. With time and effort, anyone can overcome nail biting and improve the health and appearance of their nails and hands. If you're interested in breaking the habit of nail biting, we highly recommend you click the links below to learn more. If this information was useful to you, please consider pressing like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.